Design and innovation are in SMC's DNA, incorporating the success formula into every one of its products. Formula innovation is the reflection of what we are, embodied in this unprecedented equipment. The new Raptor. It has been an intense journey on which we have let ourselves be guided by innovation in order to forge a reality, born from the dreams, the effort and the talent of our entire team. Our goal is to facilitate your work, making the difficult simple. Our equipment adapts to your needs. It is flexible so you can transport it wherever and however you want. And it is light so you can carry it yourself without having to depend on auxiliary means. The unique proportions of the new Raptor make it a highly competitive equipment. It is an incomparable product thanks to its optimum level of usability. The Raptor is revolutionary because it optimizes both time and space. It represents a considerable advantage, enabling you to dispose of more resources, achieving the greatest efficiency in your daily work. The interconnection between the Raptor units is based on infrared technology of the latest generation. We apply the latest technological advances in order to be able to offer you a greater competitiveness. At SMC, we have a commitment to continue developing new revolutionary products in the field of electrical testing from our research and development department. Innovation carries us into the future. Innovation brings us closer to you.